Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I wanted to introduce a new doll. And she's not another Blythe doll, as well as show a few in between the videos kind of accessories that I've made recently. Things that weren't the focus of a video that you might see pop up later. I'll start with my new doll. I've been quietly obsessing over the Danny Chu smart dolls that J Dolls UK and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley have shown on their channels. I'm intrigued by the size. They are a 1/3 scale size, which I'd love to sew for, as this is the size of the mind-blowing miniatures that D.I.Y have been making. I've been checking out their articulation and I was a little disappointed that they're not quite as flexible as I'd like, but I still really want one. They're really quite pricey though, so for now I looked for a cheaper, large vinyl doll with the articulation I wanted, and I decided that Obitsu bodies are the best I've seen. I have the Obitsu 22 body on one of my Blythe dolls, and I love it. Something about the 60cm Obitsu bodies wasn't appealing to me, but the 50cm was just perfect. They were all out of stock on the Parabox website, so I looked around and found one on Japanese Amazon. I ordered from Parabox a set of alternate hands, and because I wasn't really feeling the default head, it looks a little too stylized and 90s anime to me, I ordered a different head of a sculpt called Laura with a pair of green eyes. I bought 2 wigs from AliExpress and ordered eyes for the default head too, although they haven't arrived yet. I will be doing a face-up for each one, using the default head as a kind of practice run, just in case. I think I'll do body blushing as well. Obitsu only make one colour of body, called Whitey, and it's very pale. I think this is what I looked like when I went on holiday to Jamaica. The locals said I looked so white I was blue. As you can see, I've made her some underwear already. I've seen that Danny Chu has free Smart Doll sewing patterns available. I used the shorts pattern for these pants, and I modified another for this vest. The Obitsu 50 is smaller and shorter than Smart Doll, so they won't all work for her, but it's a great start for when I do get one. I will be making her shoes, of course, and although I can't find any high-heeled feet for the Obitsu 50, I have started drafting a pattern to make some high heels. I bought myself some Warbler thermoplastic, which I plan to use for this, amongst other things. I have seen Hexion and Poppin Atelier use Warbler in so many creative ways. I haven't used these in a video yet, but I also wanted to show some 3D printed doll accessories my husband Craig designed for me, which I then finished off and painted. He made these cute headphones, taking inspiration from Dre's Beats, but using the B from the Blythe logo. I added fabric wrapped over sponge and then painted them up, just for fun. He also modelled these welly boots using a very flexible filament in the printer. They are squishy. The filament needs a lot of cleanup afterwards, so it's not suitable for mass production or for sale. They are a bit bumpy, so I decided to paint them sympathetically and make them look muddy. I used fabric paint to keep the flexibility and painted a little hunter logo on the fronts, as well as pretend buckles. I would really like a 1/6 scale umbrella to go with these, so I can make a raincoat too and have a whole set. The last prop I wanted to show you is this balloon bunch. I've been wanting realistic mini balloons for the dolls for a while, but I could never find ones I liked 100%. I bought polystyrene balls. These are about 4 centimeters wide. I bought little water balloons, thinking I could stretch them over the ball, but they're just too small. I had some normal sized balloons though, which just needed the neck snipped down a little at the end. To give the balloon a more realistic shape, I stuffed the bottom carefully with fluff. I have this garden wire which is strong enough to hold up the balloon. I stuck an end into the ball, then snipped and used coloured thread to tie the neck. I rolled up the edge again afterwards. By varying the colours and lengths of wire and positioning it realistically, I think they look pretty good. I would prefer white coloured wire, but I haven't come across any yet. Well, I do hope this bits and bobs video was enjoyable for you. Maybe you've got some new crafting ideas yourselves. Let me know in the comments below. What was your favourite prop? And what do you think of my new big girl? Do you have a larger size doll? She will be named once she's had her face up, and I can't wait to make some big clothes for her. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!